The journey of smell begins in your nose, where tiny odor molecules float through the air and enter your nasal cavity. These molecules are too small to see but powerful enough to awaken your senses. They land on a special region called the olfactory epithelium, which is tucked deep inside nose. It contains olfactory receptors, which are proteins that interact with odor molecules. There are hundreds of different types of olfactory receptors, each designed to bind to specific types of odor molecules. When an odor molecule binds to a matching olfactory receptor, it triggers a chemical change within the receptor neuron. This binding initiates a process known as signal transduction, where the chemical signal is converted into an electrical signal. The electrical signals generated by the olfactory receptors travel along the olfactory nerve to a part of the brain called the olfactory bulb. The olfactory bulb is located just above the nasal cavity and acts as the first processing center for smell information. The signals are organized and interpreted based on the type and combination of odor molecules detected. From the olfactory bulb, the processed signals are sent to olfactory cortex and other parts of the brain like limbic system and orbitofrontal cortex. The olfactory cortex. This is where the brain identifies and perceives the smell. The limbic system. This region is responsible for processing emotions and memory. Smell is closely linked to memory and emotion, which is why certain scents can evoke strong memories or emotional reactions. The orbitofrontal cortex. This area of the brain is involved in the conscious perception of smell and helps make decisions about the odor, such as identifying it or deciding if it's pleasant or unpleasant. So, the brain smells by detecting chemical molecules in the air, interpreting them through specialized receptors, and processing the information in areas of the brain associated with both perception and emotions.